You probably eat it almost every morning, thinking you're making a healthy choice to kickstart your day. It's quick, easy, and feels light. But what if I told you that very breakfast is the real reason you're completely exhausted by 10 a.m.? And no, it's not the donut or the croissant. It's that so-called healthy food you trust. And it's secretly draining your energy before you've even really started your day. I'm about to break down the science of why this happens and give you a simple, delicious swap that will guarantee you feel vibrant and full right up until lunch. By the way, I'd love to know what you had for breakfast this morning, so drop it in the comments below. So, what's the culprit? It's one of the most common breakfast staples: toast with jam or a bowl of that so-called healthy cereal. It seems innocent, but it's a trap. You get a quick jolt of energy, but an hour or two later, the crash. That mid-morning slump hits, brain fog rolls in, and you're hungry hours before lunch. So you reach for another coffee or a sugary snack. This isn't about willpower. It's a biological chain reaction. You're stuck on what I call the blood sugar roller coaster, and that seemingly harmless toast is your ticket to ride. So why does this happen? It really comes down to two things: refined carbohydrates and sugar. Most store-bought bread, sugary jams, and breakfast cereals are digested in a flash. This sends a flood of glucose into your bloodstream, causing a massive blood sugar spike. In response, your body releases insulin to quickly get that sugar out of your blood. But what goes up must come crashing down. That dramatic crash in your blood sugar is what leaves you feeling tired, irritable, and craving more quick energy. The biggest mistake is that this breakfast is missing protein and healthy fiber for sustained energy. It just burns up fast and leaves you running on fumes. If you are so tired of this energy roller coaster and you want more science-backed tips to get your vitality back, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. The solution is a simple swap: my energy-boosting superfood parfait. It takes less than 5 minutes and is delicious. First, layer in Greek yogurt. It's loaded with protein to keep you full and your blood sugar stable. Next, add berries for fiber and a touch of sweetness without the sugar crash. Finally, top with nuts or seeds for healthy fats. This combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fat is the secret weapon for steady, all-morning energy. That's it. A breakfast that will keep you energized and focused until lunch. So, what's the big takeaway here? Ditch the quick-burning, nutrient-empty breakfasts that set you up for a crash. You don't have to give up on convenience. Instead, upgrade your morning by focusing on that powerful trifecta of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Making this one simple change, from something like toast and jam to a superfood parfait, isn't about restriction at all. It's about setting yourself up with vibrant, consistent energy so you can absolutely conquer your day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to check out our other videos for more content on health and wellness. Keep your vibes high and your health higher. Catch you in the next one.